it's Richard here from Williams Crawford. So back into work on a Monday morning after having one of the best motorsport weekends away. Just attended the Shelsley Walsh Classic Nostalgia event. Superb event. The array of cars, competitors, people that I knew, spectators. They believe there was over 4,000 people there on the Sunday. So a cracking event that I was very, very pleased to have got an entry and felt we did a good job. The mistake I made maybe was entering modified in race cars rather than road cars that are modified. Ended up with a lot of single seaters, but pulled it out the bag, managed to get third in class. I believe that's right. I'm fairly 99% sure that's correct. Got beat by a McLaren and a Brabham, and they were super fast. So not really competing with them, but competing with yourself and the other people around me. Car performed beautifully, and was very impressed with the feedback from people that loved the car, and generally were having a great time. So Harry's got some lovely footage, hopefully, to show you some photos, some videos, and can go through how exciting, how successful, and how much I enjoyed the weekend. Thank you very much for watching. Good morning, it's Richard here from Williams Crawford, here at Classic Nostalgia. So 8:30 in the morning. Sun is up at the moment, and hopefully it'll stay that way. So everyone's starting to get their cars ready. As yesterday was practice, no official times, but I did end up in quite a strange class. I don't know how I managed it, but everything else except for my friend in the Escort here has, Tuesday morning sir, has only one seat in it, but car's looking good, handling well, actually going surprisingly well. Got a lovely 904 replica there. So competitive class, but I'm not competitive in it, if you know what I mean, but hey, that's okay, just super to be here. Some more historic single seaters. This is running in class 4, part of a championship. Down the bottom here is the real pre-war. So our good friend and customer Steve has bought his Bentley. Gets a huge amount of attention. If I can just go down here. Oh, I don't think I've been down here without somebody taking a photo of it. But genuinely, it is a thing of complete beauty. Lots of Lotus, lots of competitive cars. Up here, which hopefully we'll go to later when the covers are off, there's some original NASCARs and some old Formula 1 cars. Down here is Rally 22, and that is a right selection. WRC cars. I do believe some of them are replicas, but there are also some very nice WRC. That Peugeot's got it all going on. A few of the Subarus, lovely Manta over there. The actual Subarus are works cars. This Escort is a very good replica, but right-hand drive, so John informs me that that won't be a genuine car, but those do demonstrations runs. They make a good show, and some of them are, as you can imagine, quite lively. And then up this side, the local gentleman here, Jonathan, runs a beautiful 911, Mark 1 Escort, Mark 2 Escort, and a whole variety of cars. So super event. Let the sunshine stay, and let's have a nice, safe but fast day. Many thanks. who only have one seat in their car. So I might be struggling for power to weight ratio compared to these pair inside of me, but good, here for the fun this weekend. I don't think this was a standard fit when this lady came back in the day, but I think they've run. Seems to be a bit of cheating going on in this class. This guy blatantly missing a wheel. This guy on the other hand, he's doubling it up to 6. I know which one I'd rather be in.